Oh, angle it. Let me angle
you can angle it and put it under here.
Yeah. Ready? Oh, hold it. Just hold it there.
That's pretty much what I thought was going to happen. So.
Oh, dude, it's so easy to move.
Yeah, it should be fine.
Keep pushing it. Oh my gosh, dude, it's so light. Are you serious? Yeah! Victory! Victory is ours!
Now we got to get it off of there.
Yeah, we'll figure that out.
Yeah, we'll figure that out.
Oh, dude. My God. That was so much work.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on, Heathers. Can you... Hold on. Push back some. Now, see, I'll just pull it to the side. Get out, motherfucker.
It's not as light now, is it?
Alright, hold on, I think I can get a real lot of torque on it here. Oh, sure. Come here, baby.
Be a real pain to put back on.
Right.
I think it goes fine. Yeah, that was a mistake. I've taken it off.
There she is, boys. The WRX transmission out.
Look at all that.
What a pain in the butt.
Clutch material you get on it.
Yeah. The hardest part about that job is removing the transmission from the block. If you're going to attempt it, make sure you have wedges to hammer in there. Otherwise, you can't really pry it apart. No. So, half the battle, maybe?
I'm sure there's better ways to do that, but
yeah,
this way it worked also.
Jeez, Pete. Yeah. Well, we're gonna get some lunch, come back, tackle the STi. Well, we got to drop clutch out of there. That south bin stage 3 clutch. We got to get that out. Yep. And go from there. All right, guys. Here's the south bin stage 3 clutch with maybe 40,000 miles on it. So you're gonna have to take that one out, and then we will prepare to get the new one in. Huh? Yeah, that wasn't too bad. Oh my goodness, that thing's heavy. Wow. Dude, that's like 30 pounds. Mm-hmm. Oh, crap. OEM. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Woo. So this is where I broke a bolt off trying to remove it from the transmission to block. I'm gonna try to get this out. If not, it'll probably just stay like this, and that's where it will be. But that's the only issue I had so far, is removing the transmission, other than it taking a lot of effort to get the actual transmission out. Chris and I maybe spent 2 hours on just that. All in all, I mean, that's not too bad for the first time, Chris.
Not terrible.
Well, we're getting ready to install the clutch. Chris is actually working on the Cartboy short throw shifter from New Provision Racing. Getting that bad boy all sorted out, greased up, looking ready to slide in.
Mighty lubricated.
Yeah, it's gonna have plenty of friction, lubrication, movementation.
All those things.
Yes, ready. And all of its short shifting life and gloriness.
All right. Just be sure this does go forward, right?
Yeah, that's... Don't know.
Yeah.
Didn't pay attention to that.
No, didn't.
Well, we might have to look that up.
Well, better from here. At least I can shove this guy.
Yeah, you can shove it in there. It'll shove in there. It should shove in there pretty well, hopefully. all that grease.
That's the way we do it. Shove it in there.
So that's the Cartboy short throw shift. Additional to that, we have the IAG clutch, competition clutch here. This is their stage 4 clutch, which is a triple disc for the STi 6-speed. I think that's the way they only make STi 6 speeds. But anyway, this converts from, I believe, push to pull or pull to push. No, one of those, and it comes with the new cylinder, the slave cylinder for that, and all the hardware provided. Given that I have the verticooler, it's going to be a little bit challenging to mount, and we'll probably have to just kind of rig something up. So that's going to be interesting. That'll be another challenge that we're faced with. Also comes with the clutch fork and the throw out bearing. So we're going to get ready to install this onto the block. We'll work with the flywheel, and then we'll look at the triple disc in there. And then hopefully this will all go together nicely. We've got some Whiteline positive shift bushings. These are polyurethane, so we'll be replacing the rubber ones with these. These should last forever. Really looking forward to that. And then in addition to that, we've got the Multool 300 new transmission fluid for the STi trans and differential. So we'll get all of this going. But big thing we have to tackle now is getting this STi transmission in the car. Hopefully it goes in a lot easier than the WRX came out, but we'll see how it goes. That damn garage dog gets in here, doesn't leave. Watching any shows? Or you watching any TV shows or anything?
Was watching some of the shows they had on Prime. Boys.
Oh yeah.
Pretty good.
That was a really good one. From what? Oh, Johnny Depp? Pirates of the Caribbean.
Sidekick in there. A Land of Blue.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I haven't seen.
Carnival Row. Yeah, it's like a sci-fi, science fiction kind of thing. Interesting. You good there?
Yeah, man. Thank you. All right, so we got all these in bolts tightened up. 26 foot-pounds. Thing is ready to go. The alignment tool is aligned. Just gonna work on trying to get the STi transmission in now. You excited, Chris? Let the fun begin. Or, yeah, go up with the front. Yeah, we're on the big frame. We need to go up in the back, right? Yep. Okay.